but I have faith in God and love. And I surrender you to no one else, my mother, Bosnia, my love. Those hated things that crash cannot break the power of my Una. Nor the sun's gleaming waterfall drops, I'll defend you with my last breath. I'll defend this bit of happiness, the flame in my heart and the tears of my son. The mercy of God and the door of my house, like a light at the end of my journey. And your warm eyes and the delights of the Hacha burn in my heart tonight. In that victory comes, don't look for my grave. Freedom will come when I'm gone. I'll be everywhere. In a warm breeze from the Una, in a rippling and trickling river, in the smile of the child, in the blue of the sky of the Hacha. You will know how to find me. For everyone else, I'm just a secret. And when you smell those sweet fragrance of flowers, it's the perfume of my soul.